Welcome to DJ Cadex HD, and today we are working on TCP Custom. So enjoy the tutorial and remember all the content provided is for educational purposes only. So after you've installed the app and open it up, it will bring a pop-up like this: join our Telegram, you can join later. So as you can see, there's a menu button at the top. Click on it. It will bring out all the settings for the app. There are general settings here. You can change the theme. So if you want the light mode, for example, like me, you can click on light mode and the app will turn to the light mode. When you scroll back on the general settings, so here you can click to check to mute your notifications if you don't want them to disturb you, or you can disable them here. And if you want the sticky notification at the top or on the status bar, you can enable it here. This is about the app. You can click there and learn about the app. The next one is the servers. So as you can see, there are many servers here. For example, I'll choose Singapore. The next part is custom DNS. This allows you to put a custom DNS for forwarding for the VPN. You can also forward it. This works mostly if your connection is not browsing alright. The next one is OpenVPN TCP to enable the app to work with all your applications. For example, some UDP based apps like WhatsApp will load well. So that's the purpose of the TCP OpenVPN. So now the next part is the interface. As you can see here, you can see the host and then the 80, that is the port. This is the proxy. You can leave it at the default if you don't want to change. And if you click the three things that look like knobs, you can see this is the custom. Don't change this. This is the server for the app. Don't change this. So if you click on the payload, here as you can see, there are some presets for you to choose. For example, HTTP get, HTTP bag, and connect post. So for example, if you come here and enter your host, for example www.google.com, and click on any one of the presets below, the payload will be adjusted to suit that preset you have changed. So as you can see, this is my payload, and these are the presets. So if you click on one of them, the payload will be adjusted. Let's see. Let me click here, connect. See, the payload has been adjusted according to the host that I have inputted there. So just to input your host there and click on the presets for you to be able to access the payload. So that is the custom payload. The next one is the SSL or the SNI protocol. There are some basics here, presets like Skype, Twitter, WhatsApp. So for example, if you want to tunnel, let's say YouTube data bundles, you can just change here to m.youtube.com. This is the YouTube URL. So this is mostly. So the next one is the crowd config. This is still in beta, so I'll make a separate tutorial showing you how you can operate it. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. So I think we have gotten the most part of the app. So the last thing, this is the support. You can click here the email the developer directory, or you can join the Telegram channel for config files. And those are the basics of the app. So as you can see, let's try to connect and see how the interface changes when you are connected. So if the connection doesn't work, you can enable or disable the custom DNS. Mostly that's how your connection will work if it doesn't work when the DNS is on. As you can see, this is the sticky notification for the timer. For you have to support the developer by watching some ads for him to be able to make some money for the servers. So you can, if you want to add more time to your connection, you just click on that timer running there, the 29.21. So as you can see, this shows you your connection status, and that is the basics of how the TCP custom works. So if you don't know how to operate the payloads, check my other videos for how to operate the TCP method, the payloads, and the SNI. and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.